Master on.
Ready. Tidal before starting engines. Battery switch.
On, good voltage.
Parking brake.
Set.
Wheel chocks.
Removed.
Pre-flight.
Complete.
Cabin door.
Still open.
Passenger briefing.
Complete.
Seats and rudder pedals.
Good left.
Belts and harnesses.
Good left.
Air conditioning switch.
Is off.
Cockpit lights.
Set.
Rotating beacon.
Is on.
Complete. Tidal starting engines.
Are both on.
First engine.
Number 2. Okay, fuel flow, oil pressure, light off.
Hands are on.
Engine instruments.
Go at the door.
Second engine.
Number 1.
Engine instruments.
All good, no flags.
External power.
Removed.
Generators.
Are on.
Complete. Tidal after start. AC power and master avionics switches.
Are on.
DC amps and volts.
Warning light. Oh no.
Left one on first. And do a reset. Hold it down longer this time.
Good. Came back on.
So I'll talk to you about that in a minute. I was talking to Derek.
Okay.
Doesn't have much time on it. We might want to move up the replacement on that.
Yeah, this is sort of seeing routine stuff.
Circuit breakers.
Circuit breakers are good left.
Good right.
Standby gyro.
Is on.
Passenger advisory lights.
Set.
Anti-skid.
On and normal.
Confirmed.
Radar.
Standby.
Pressurization.
We got the right HSI view.
Right HSI, 1.1.1. GPS, where all the lights are on.
Temperature control and foot warmers.
I'm open.
I'm open.
Gyro pressure.
It is good.
Battery temp.
Yep.
Flight controls and speed brakes.
Up on my side.
Good right. And down.
And down.
Flaps.
Cycled and set for 20.
Confirmed.
Complete. Tidal taxi.
Going to 2-2.
Going to 2-2, yes. Here we go.
Got the flight stream here for the flight plan so we can load our flight plan right from our iPad.
Okay.
Claremont, Appleton, Bengal, Getch, Green Bay, and Appleton.
That's correct. Here come the reversers.
Ready? Stowed.
And down.
Exterior lights.
Set.
Clearance.
I'll get it in the air.
Yep.
Brakes and steering.
Good left.
Good right.
Thrust reversers.
Complete.
Flaps.
Cycled and set 20.
Confirmed.
Trim.
Good 3 places.
Confirmed.
Anti-ice systems.
All off, not needed.
Avionics radios. Marker beacons.
Good left.
Going to Bengal. HSI is going the right way. I'm set to 348. And runway head.
Okay.
Traffic on the MFD.
All right. See ya.
Altimeters. Altitude alerter.
It's on the car
3002.
3002. Set twice.
Is that right?
Flight instruments.
Okay, I'm on runway heading altitude 8500. Set.
And is that right?
Complete. Tidal before takeoff. Anti-ice.
All off, I need it.
Standby gyro.
Is not working.
I saw it kind of went crooked after landing. Might just need to be caged longer. I'll work on it while you're taxiing.
Oh, there it's running now.
Not required, it didn't work. Close enough.
Close enough.
Flaps and trim.
There it is. It's
There you go. Cool.
Flaps and trim. Flaps 20. Trim 1, 2, 3.
Confirm.
Takeoff data.
92, 94, 99.
99 is set. I got 95.4 on the power.
Confirm.
Crew briefing.
We're going to do standard static takeoff, standard upward procedures, and we're going to do a left turn out, head north to get our clearance.
Sounds good. You should be able to find some holes in these clouds here.
Yes.
Passenger advisory lights.
There already.
Okay.
I'm not sure where this guy was here.
I heard he was downwind.
Oh, yeah, he's downwind. Okay. I see him.
Claremont County traffic, 362 Sierra Papa, steering left for base leg, full stop landing, runway 22, Claremont County.
Yeah, I don't want to cry, I don't want to rush, so
Okay.
I'll wait. Unless he's really out there, I don't even see him.
He's turning base right now.
Oh, nice, I got him now. Let's just go.
Fine with me.
Passengers.
Crossing line.
Claremont County, citation 50 Papa, immediate departure, runway 22, via left turn out northbound, Claremont County.
Holding at the line.
Cross the line.
Exterior lights.
Set.
Transponder.
1200.
Radar.
Stand by.
Pressurization source.
Got normal.
Ignition.
Is on.
Pitot heat.
Is on.
All clear.
It's clear.
Engine instruments.
All good.
All good.
Complete. Tidal. After takeoff. Climb.
Ready?
I'm ready.
95.4.
Claremont County traffic, 362 Sierra Papa, steering left for final, full stop
Yours up.
landing, runway 22, Claremont County.
Power set. Engine instruments all look good. Airspeed alive both sides. 70 knot cross checked. V1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Positive rate. Landing lights.
Gears up.
Y'all do
Yaw damper.
It's coming on.
Flaps.
Hold there. Flaps up.
Selected and traveling.
Ignition.
Okay, looking to turn.
Your left side is clear.
Turn 360.
And ignition.
Climb power.
On power 93.
You got it.
Engine sync.
On please.
Selected.
Pressurization.
Climbing.
Anti-ice.
All off.
Good to 10,000 feet.
Cincinnati to departure, good afternoon, citation 705 Sierra Papa, airborne off Claremont County, about a mile to the south, instruments Appleton.
Set.
50 pop.
3 green, lights are out.
Oh, there's blue lights.
Tidal. Before landing. Passenger advisory lights.
Set.
Engine sync.
Off, please.
Selected.
Landing gear.
Down, and we have 3 green.
Landing lights.
Are on.
Anti-skid.
On and normal.
Ignition.
On.
Flaps.
For flight 835, appreciate all the help back there. Left turn at Bravo, you can just follow that Cirrus. And
Full flaps.
Parking's on 129, we'll see ya.
Autopilot and yaw damper.
49 knots, thank you, have a great day, 45835. You too, appreciate the help. Absolutely. Tower 71, Lima, go 5 miles south. And Husky 1 Alpha Hotel, frequency change for, we'll see ya. Alright, see you later, thanks, Phil. And who was just calling me 5 miles out? Experimental 71, Lima Echo. Experimental 71, Lima Echo, roger, let's make left traffic for runway 21. Left traffic, and report midfield left downwind for runway 21. Traffic says citation on a 3.5 mile final for that runway. Okay, left traffic for 21, so it's Lima Echo. Yep, that'll take you on a northeastbound heading for that left traffic.
Ready.
And then number 1 Lima Echo, to get this widen out that turn, just a couple degrees off to the right just in case that citation goes around. He's going to be right in your face. That's perfect. So that'll put you on left down for runway 21 and report midfield.
Roger. Is the present heading fine for left down 121?
You got it. That present heading's fine.
Roger that.
Alright, looking good. Speed's good, and on what?
Drift over a little bit because I feel like I'm crooked. There we go. That's better.
$500.
3 green.
3 green, yaw damper is off.
We're at about 15.
Slowing.
Tower 71, Lima Echo, can I do a long landing? I'll be portage out here on the south end.
Oh, you can do it. So you can count on that. Just give me a call midfield. I'll give you that whole runway.
71, Lima Echo, Roger.
Alright, rep 10. Numbers on.
Annunciator panel.
Clear.
Complete.
Alright, on a visual.
Rep 15.
Slowing.
On. Rep 10.
And 71, Lima Echo, midfield.
1 Lima Echo, roger, runway
Rep 10.
21. The winds are calm. Clear to land. You got the full length there for you.
71, Lima Echo, Roger.
Speed brakes are out.
Brakes are good.
I feel them. Yes. 6 lights.
We're going to
You
roll
might as well
off
keep
that.
on going.
Yeah.
You've got nobody out here.
Station 5 Sierra Papa, if you like, all the way down to the end.
Alright.
Bravo 1 and Papa. And you could just do all of that on this frequency. We'll see it. Alright, all the way to the end. Bravo 1, Papa, stay with you. 5 Sierra Papa, thanks.
Alright. Bravo 1 all the way at the end.
That's all. That's literally all the way to the end. Hey, we beat the rush here. Got a close-up parking spot. I think they're gonna put us all the way back now.
Yeah, maybe able to pull us up front, let us get out up front, and pull us in the back.
And Bravo 1 and the pop is just straight ahead, so it's just straight in, all the way in.
After landing.
Tidal after landing. Windshield bleed air switch.
Off.
Windshield bleed air valves.
Close.
Pitot heat.
It's off.
Ignition.
Normal.
Anti-ice.
All off.
Exterior lights.
Set.
Flaps.
Cycle up. You're up.
Confirm.
Speed brakes.
Retracted.
Transponder.
Press it.
Radar.
Alright, do we see anybody?
I think I'd probably maybe turn in front of this TVM and see if
Go
it's
this
the way.
way.
Yeah, somebody's coming out now.
Complete.
Echo 6493 off the tower, runway 21, the winds are calm, clear to land.
These big wigs are.
Probably nothing related to us, guys.
Yeah, that's what probably. Is that a Gulfstream? I think it could be related to Gulfstream.
A Challenger, I think
It's a Challenger. They're building a big, expanding this plant up here a lot.
Okay. That's part of it.
Tidal shutdown. Defog and overhead fans.
Come out.
Air conditioning switch.
Off.
Parking brake. Throttle.
Off.
One
Cut off.
Exterior lights.
Set.
Rotating beacon.
Off.
Radar.
Stand by.
Passenger advisory lights.
Appreciate
Or
that.
off.
Emergency gyro.